The Algorand digital currency is the new age blockchain network. The innovation is now called Blockchain 3.0. The explanation is that it takes care of the most squeezing issues of Bitcoin's versatility while keeping up with security and decentralization. It is expected that this new advanced organization will work on the proficiency of the standard monetary framework, and its convention will work with the smooth course of monetary standards. Algorand is a decentralized and open blockchain framework, the principal objective of which is to make a blockchain stage open to everybody, growing the capacities of clients. The fundamental elements of the ALGO stage are high throughput and moment certainty, which give phenomenal straightforwardness. Because of this, clients can rapidly and efficiently move ALGO digital money. Algorand works on evidence of stake, POS, an agreement calculation through which holders get prizes by just holding digital currency in their wallets or trade adjusts, numerous crypto trades backing such a capability. The Algorand network has its local authority token. For its underlying appropriation, the beginning trade offering of the Binance trade was utilized. Tokens were dispersed through a Dutch sale on the grounds that the makers were persuaded that the market members ought to decide the coin's worth. Dutch sale implies that costs are brought in plummeting request as opposed to rising one. We should investigate the fundamental elements of the Algorand stage, a decentralized economy. Decentralization is of crucial significance for organizations and all shoppers of labor and products. As the economy turns out to be more computerized, consistent, and straightforward, organizations need to utilize advances that infer decentralization to try not to lose their essential significance and endeavor to safeguard potential security and adaptability. The convention ensures a high installment handling speed contrasted with customary monetary frameworks. Full finishing of the exchange. It is a creative improvement of Algorand. Blockchain gives moment and unqualified consummation of exchanges without stretching. Other blockchains experience the ill effects of vulnerability and absence of value-based trustworthiness, and here this issue is settled. The utilization of logical exploration and compelling colleagues. Algorand helps out demonstrated business pioneers working in widely acclaimed organizations. Algorand value investigation. Prior to pursuing any venture choices, completing some sort of preliminary work is important. Thus, you ought to do your own examination and dissect the value history to find repeating examples and pointers with the goal that the worth of your speculations wouldn't plunge. As indicated by the Algorand cost expectations, this computerized money might develop soon. Moreover, numerous crypto specialists emphatically survey the fate of ALGO, and we trust that over the long haul and with legitimate turn of events, the cost of Algorand will proceed with its development pattern. Algorand a genuine cost. As of October 18, the Algorand cost today is $1.73. The cost has changed by -$0.08645 as of now. Algorand has altogether 10 billion ALGO tokens available for use. The untouched most noteworthy ALGO cost is $3.674475. The most reduced enrolled cost of ALGO is $0.0988663. Algorand Value Forecast 2022. As per the specialized examination of Algorand costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Algorand will be 40 cents. The most extreme level that the ALGO cost can reach is 43 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 41 cents. ALGO value gauge for September 2022. In view of the value vacillations of Algorand toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical ALGO pace of 37 cents in September 2022. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 34 cents and at 39 cents, separately. October 2022, Algorand value conjecture. Digital money specialists are prepared to report their estimate for the ALGO cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be 37 cents, while the greatest could reach 40 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Algorand may be around 39 cents. ALGO value conjecture for November 2022. Crypto experts have really looked at the value variances of Algorand in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal algo rate they anticipate may be around 40 cents in November 2022. It can drop to 38 cents as a base. The greatest worth may be 42 cents. December 2022, Algorand value estimate. Around mid-year 2022, the algo cost will be exchanged at 41 cents by and large. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Algorand worth to 43 cents. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than 40 cents in December 2022. Algorand value expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of Algorand in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Algorand will be around 59 cents. The most extreme expected algo cost might be around 70 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 61 cents in 2023. Algorand value expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Algorand, in 2024, ALGO is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about 82 cents and $1.01, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 85 cents. Algorand value forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have broke down the costs of Algorand and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base algo cost could drop to $1.18, while its most extreme can reach $1.39. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $1.22. Algorand value expectation 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Algorand by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least algo costs are normal in 2026, $2.06 and $1.71. All things considered, it will be exchanged at $1.76. Algorand value forecast 2027. Crypto specialists are continually examining the variances of Algorand. In view of their forecasts, the assessed typical algo cost will be around $2.50. It could drop to at least $2.43, however it actually could reach $2.86 all through 2027. Algorand value expectation 2028. Consistently, digital money specialists get ready conjectures at the cost of Algorand. It is assessed that algo will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $3.44 and $4.23 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $3.54 during the year. Algorand value forecast 2029. Cryptographic